Did you know that nearly half of all car breakdowns are caused by ignoring basic maintenance? Even worse, if you neglect simple upkeep, you could lose up to 20% of your car's resale value. That's hundreds or even thousands of dollars down the drain. But if no one ever taught you how to maintain a car, that changes today. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how to care for your car step by step, even if you've never touched a dipstick before. We'll go through 7 beginner mistakes that drain your wallet, damage your vehicle, and leave you stranded. And by the end, I'll share a bonus tip that could save you over $950. But before we dive in, ask yourself one question. How well do you really know your car? If your answer is not much, don't worry. That's exactly what this video is here for. And if you want more practical car-saving tips like this every week, hit that subscribe button so you never get stuck on the side of the road again. Mistake number 1. Ignoring your car's fluids. Most people only check their oil when the dashboard light turns on. By then, it's often too late. But did you know there are 5 fluids you need to check regularly? Not doing so could cost you thousands in repairs. Let's break them down. Engine oil. Think of oil as your engine's lifeblood. Without it, parts grind, heat builds, and your engine can seize up. Check once a month and before long trips. Warm up the car for 3 to 5 minutes, then turn it off. Pull the dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert it, and check the level. If it's low, top it off slowly. And if you're adding oil often, that's a red flag. You might be burning it or leaking. Coolant. Coolant keeps your engine from overheating. And overheating can lead to a $4,000 plus engine replacement. Check it only when the engine is cool. Use the overflow tank, not the radiator cap. Stick to your car's recommended coolant type. Don't mix them. Brake fluid. This one's all about observation. Look through the reservoir. Don't open it. Check if the fluid is between the min and max lines. A sudden drop? That's a leak. Get it looked at immediately. Transmission fluid. Transmissions are one of the most expensive parts to replace. $3,400 plus. Check it monthly, but follow your car's specific method. Some require the engine on, some off, and others are sealed altogether. Windshield washer fluid. Yes, even this matters because poor visibility equals danger. Use winter-grade fluid in cold climates to avoid freezing. Now that you know how to monitor your fluids, you're already ahead of most drivers. But if you want to be in the top 1%, keep watching. Mistake number 2. Letting your battery die without warning. You turn the key and nothing happens. That sinking feeling, totally avoidable. Here's the rule. If your battery is 5+ years old, it's living on borrowed time. Most batteries start weakening after 3 to 4 years, especially in cold climates. Check for slow starts or dim lights. That's an early sign. Mark the installation date on the battery with a marker. Clean the terminals with baking soda and a wire brush to prevent corrosion. And here's the best part. It only takes 10 minutes and could save you from missing work or getting stranded in the rain. Mistake number 3. Breathing dirty air. Most beginners never think about filters, but they're crucial for both your engine and your lungs. Engine air filter blocks dirt and debris from entering your engine. Found in a plastic box under the hood. Replace every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or if it looks clogged. Cabin air filter filters the air you breathe inside the car. Usually located behind the glove box. Replace every 15,000 to 20,000 miles, more often if you drive in dusty areas. Ignoring these can mean reduced performance, musty smells, and poor air circulation. Mistake number 4. Never checking tire pressure or tread. Tires are the only thing connecting your car to the road, yet most people never inspect them. Check pressure. Use a gauge when tires are cold. The correct PSI is on the driver's door sticker. Underinflation equals poor fuel economy and blowout risk. Inspect tread. Use a tread depth gauge, not a coin. Less than 4/30 seconds means you need new tires. Uneven wear equals possible alignment or suspension issue. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. This ensures even wear and extends their lifespan. If your tires are off, everything else is too. Handling, braking, even gas mileage. Mistake number 5. Forgetting the throttle body. Ever feel your car idling rough or accelerating sluggishly? Chances are, your throttle body is dirty. Carbon builds up over time, making the airflow valve sticky and inefficient. Clean it every 30,000 miles or as needed. All you need is throttle body cleaner, a rag, and a screwdriver. Disconnect the battery, remove the air hose, spray, and wipe. This can restore smooth idling and even improve gas mileage. It's a small job that makes a big difference. Mistake number 6. Ignoring dashboard warning lights. Dashboard lights aren't just annoying. They're your car's way of saying, hey, something's wrong. Here's a quick guide. Asterisk check engine light. Don't panic, but don't ignore it. Get a code scan ASAP. Asterisk battery light. Electrical issue. Could be the alternator. Asterisk brake light. Check fluid first, then brakes. Asterisk oil light. Low pressure. Shut off the engine and check oil immediately. Don't just hope the light goes away. That tiny warning could save you from massive repairs. Mistake number 7. Never reading your owner's manual. Most people toss the owner's manual into the glove box and never look at it again. But that little book, it's full of gold. It tells you when to change fluids, what warning lights mean, what tire pressure your car needs, even where to find hidden features. Think of it as a user's guide to your car's health. Read it once, and you'll feel like a car whisperer. BONUS TIP. Save $950 with one simple habit. This tip takes 5 minutes a week and can save you $950 or more in repairs. Ready? Sit in your parked car once a week with the engine on. Close your eyes. Listen to the engine. Feel the steering. Smell the air. That's your baseline. When something sounds off or feels off, you'll notice it sooner, and sooner means cheaper repairs. This one habit alone can make you more in tune with your car than 90% of drivers. So there you have it, -7 beginner car maintenance mistakes you now know how to avoid. Want to make sure your car runs smoother, lasts longer, and costs you less? Hit that like button to let me know this helped you. Subscribe for weekly tips that save you money and prevent headaches. And if you know someone who just got their first car, share this video with them. You might just save their engine and their wallet. Thanks for watching. Now go take care of your car, because a little effort now saves a lot later.